Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Today we are going to inform you and suggest you the details and provide all the details about how to open a business in Bahrain. So to opening a business in Bahrain, there is a link like these are the companies, the activities which are the most 17 small business opportunities in Bahrain. First of all, you have CPR, that is your identity card, and you need to go to this link. This is called Sigilat, and there you can register your business activity in the Kingdom of Bahrain. There is a signing. When you press sign in, then you have another page, and this page is for e-key. You can see the e-key is provided, like you can get the e-key from the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. There is a Chamber of Commerce building. There is a building which is called Financial Harbor. So you need to visit this building. In second floor you will find an office, and this is the building view. And from this building you will get the e-key. Okay. You need to put e-key here and the password, and you can log in. Now the rest of the thing I will tell you how to the period things before opening a business in Bahrain. You need to come here and check here. There are activities. Definitely, when you are going to open a business, you must select the activities and what are the requirements to open a business in Bahrain. So, for an example, you are going to open something related to toys, or you want to open a toy store. You can you can search it as a toy store in a keyword toy. Okay, and then you need to search it here. The related activities will come here. Okay, there is a manufacturing of games and toy factory, sales trade of games and toy. So suppose you select this one, there is a page about this activity, who can open. This is allowed for Bahrainis. This is the national, American national. These are nationalities can open 100%, while the other activities, while the other nationalities can open it with any Bahraini who is having 51% share, and the other nationality holder can get 49% share. The other requirement, like what are the other requirement? You just need the municipality affairs approval. And what are the requirement of this approval? It's written here, or you can get the details by calling these guys. Size of the premises, so you need to inform them what is the size. Boundaries of the shop, it is displays two item outside the shop is not, it's prohibited here. Cleanliness of the site, comply with the parking space. Okay, so this you need to put when you are going to open it, and this is the complete document. This is the complete template, like what they are looking for you to for the approval of this activity. Now come back to another this how you step by step how you can how to open business. The first thing is that you have Sigilat ID, as I told you. You need to get it from Ministry of Chamber of Commerce. Then you have login Sigilat and the password. You need to select an activity, as I told you from where you can select an activity and how you can select it, this from this page. You need to go public service. Public service, there are search activities, and that's how you can do it. Login you can do here. Now the rest of the thing, after selecting a business activity, business name, you need to select business name, and you need to upload in the process. There are three names you need to upload. Then you need to give the capital. The capital, normally they are asking for deposit of 2000 BD in a bank. As per the last update, it will vary. This capital, after opening the company, you can use it for the company. Type of the company, there are type partnership with limited liability. BSC is for the closed, is for the closed shareholding company, and open for the shareholding stock market registered company. Individual company also you can open, if even if you are expect For the company opening, you need this document. This is called Memorandum of Association. It contains the name of the company, who are the owner, what is the activity, what is the capital. These main things are there. And after that, they approved, authorities approved, well, they approve. And in some cases, health ministry, if you want to open a restaurant or a thing which is related to health, you need health. Some in some cases for the transport, you need Ministry of Interior approval as well. When you submit it, they will inform you that the company will be, is open. They might survey, and then they approve. Tamkeen is by the government. You can get the Tamkeen support. Once you open a company, there is a business development plan. Right now, I don't know it's working or not, but before it was working well, and they are giving support to all businesses, even it is owned by Expect or Bahrain National. Right. So this is the first video. Another thing is that which is good with me is I will show you, like, this is the memorandum of association draft in English, like this. These two guys are Pakistani national. They open the company, their company name, and their capital is 5,000 BD. They make a capital deposit of 5,000. Right now it's 2,000. Shared deceased partner of the normal contract, business contract clauses are there, and at end you need to visit there and sign it in the ministry in case of WLL. Okay, so this is the one thing I wanted to show you. The other thing, once it approved by the ministry, it will stamp, it is stamped like this, and then it's mean your company is open. There is the CR data which we have collected from the website, and we analyze a little data. It gives that us the insights, like which business is we know that these businesses are for the expect, and this for not expect. We have segregated, like the expect can open independently these business, and how many, like for example, manufacturing of vegetable, animal and fish oil. This activity open 3 times, like 3 people open it, 2 is closed, 60% is the success rate. So that's how we know how many has opened till now, how many has closed. And as in order to get the success rate, we have derived this file, prepared this file, and 100% foreign investment filter is also there. And in those activities, you need a Bahraini sponsor, a Bahraini partner is also there. So whoever wanted me to share this file and the other details and any services can contact by sending a comment in a description. I believe you like this video. Thank you very much for your time.